Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay taxes with TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as your W-2 forms and any Form 1099s you may have received. Next, select the TurboTax product that best suits your filing needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Finally, create a new account or simply sign in to your existing TurboTax profile to begin the process. Once logged in, TurboTax will guide you step by step through entering your personal and financial information. Carefully input details about your income, deductions, and any applicable tax credits. The software makes this process straightforward, asking clear questions. After entering everything, take a moment to thoroughly review all the data for accuracy before moving forward. After entering all your information, TurboTax conducts a comprehensive review to check for errors and maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. You'll then choose how to file your return, either by e-filing directly through the platform or by printing and mailing it. If you owe taxes, you can pay directly. If you're due a refund, set up direct deposit for quick access. Once your taxes are filed, it's crucial to keep copies of your completed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. You can easily track the status of your refund or payment directly on the IRS website. Remember to stay informed about important tax deadlines throughout the year to ensure you're always prepared for future filings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.